In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Robinhood deposit. I'm going to guide you through the steps on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Robinhood app. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to cancel your Robinhood deposit, your account must be completely verified. In this home screen, you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner. You can tap on it. And in the top left corner, you can see the 3 lines icon. Tap on it. Once you're in the menu page, here you will see the statements and history options. If your account is not verified yet, you'll not see such options over here. So after you select your statements and history options, you will need to select the pending sections. And there you will see all the pending deposits. You can see the cancel transfer option in every deposit. You can tap on it to cancel that deposit. If you don't see the cancel transfer option, the deposit has been already transferred to your bank and now it cannot be cancelled anymore. So only the pending deposits can be cancelled. So that's how you can easily cancel your Robinhood deposit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.